SD Tech is San Antonio's premier provider of managed IT services, handling everything from phone and internet service to online security.
Hello? Hello, are you there?
If you're experiencing service loss, then your business's reputation is on the line. Our mission is to get the job done right so your customers are never left waiting. We maximize uptime through quality equipment and installations that you can trust. We customize every aspect of our service to fit your business. Whether you're a new construction build or in an existing location, we take care of everything from running data and voice cabling to network infrastructure and beyond. Depend on our team of highly skilled technicians to work tirelessly for your business. SD Tech offers premium services in managed IT, cloud hosting, virtualization, data storage, and backup. Using the latest VoIP phone systems, you can engage your clients through consistent IT solutions that never let you down. By remotely monitoring your systems, we ensure your IT services are always working. Helping fellow Texas businesses obtain better technology and tighter security is our goal. We focus on friendly, efficient customer service.
Massage Paint Center, how can I help you? Thank you, have a great day. Awesome.
Find out how SD Tech can help your business. Contact us today for a free analysis.